Today we are going to discuss about evolution of R programming, features of R programming and applications of R programming and how to install R programming in this session. So let us see what is the evolution of R programming. The process of evolution of R. R is a programming language and it is a software environment for statistical analysis, graphics representation and reporting. R was initially written by Ihaka and Robert Gentleman at the Department of Statistics in University of Auckland, which is in New Zealand. R made its first appearance in 1993. Initially, R was initiated in 1993. A large group of individuals has contributed for R programming by sending the code and debugging the reports of R programming. Since mid 1997, there has been a core group called as R Core Team who can modify the R source code achieve. R is extensively used by software programmers, statisticians, data scientists, and data miners. R is the one of the most popular data analytics tool used in data analytics and business analytics also. Now let us see what are the features of R programming. So it is a free and open source programming language. So R is a open source programming language and issued under GNU, that is General Public License. We can download it freely. And it has cross platform interoperability, which means that it has distributions running on Windows application, Linux, and Mac also. Windows OS, Linux OS, and Mac OS also. Our code can easily be ported from one platform to another. So it is portable. It is it uses an interpreter instead of compiler or uses interpreter for compilation of the program. It uses interpreter instead of compiler, which makes the development of code easier. It effectively associates different databases and does well in bringing information from Microsoft Excel as well as Access, SQL and SQLite and all the databases from all the databases. R is well developed, simple and effective programming language which includes conditionals, loops, user defined recursive functions and input and output facilities. So R is a well developed, simple and effective programming language. R provides a large, coherent and integrated collection of tools for data analysis. R provides collection of integrated tools for data analysis. It provides wide variety of packages with the diversity of codes, functions and features tailored for data analysis and statistical modeling, visualization, machine learning and importing and manipulating the data. R provides many of the built-in packages for use of codes, functions and data analysis. R provides a wide variety of packages. And the next one is R integrates various powerful tools to communicate reports in different forms. To communicate between reports in different forms like CSV, XML, and HTML in PDF, and also through different interactive websites with help of R packages. R provides powerful tools to communicate among different reports like CSVs, HTML, XML, and all. R provides graphical facilities for data analysis and display either directly at the computer or printing at the papers. R provides graphical facilities also for data analysis. It is a flexible language that bridges gaps between software development and data analysis. R libraries provides one of the best and most insightful data visualization. R libraries provides insightful data visualizations. So these are all the features of R programming. And now let us see once again the features of R programming. R is a open source. R is a portable code, portable coding. R provides cross-platform interoperability. R uses an interpreter instead of compiler, which makes development of code easier. R provides different databases association. So association of different databases is provided by R so that we can communicate among the databases easily. R is a well developed and simple programming language which can provide all the programming features. And R provides integrated collection of data analysis tools. And R provides variety of built-in packages for data analysis and data visualization and for developing machine learning. And R integrates powerful tools of communication, communicating reports of different formats. Different formats of reports can be communicated by using different integrated powerful tools. And R provides graphical tools, graphical facilities for generating reports for displaying directly. So these are all the different features of R programming. Now let us see what are the applications of R programming. R programming can be applied in different environments. In academics also, R programming can be used. Healthcare environment, government sectors, retail businesses and technologies, electronics, manufacturing of goods and all, and in media, finance, energy related sector and insurance companies. R programming can be used for the analysis of different kinds of data. By using the R programming, different data analysis can be done among the different businesses, and the requirements can be understood and they can be implemented by using the R programming effectively. So these are the different applications of R programming. The first one is academics, and the second one is healthcare, and the third one is government sector, and the fourth one is retail business environment, and the fourth one is latest technologies, development of latest technologies, and in electronics applications development, and in manufacturing sector, in media, in finance sector and insurance sector, R programming can be used for development of new applications in different sectors. And the next one is installation of R. How can we install an R programming platform in Windows applications on Windows OS? Windows installation, you can download the Windows installer version of R from R 3.2.2 for Windows. We can directly download the Windows installer version of R from R 3.2.2 for Windows 32 by 32-bit or 62-bit and save it in your local directory. As it is a Windows installer.exe extension will be given with the name R version WinExe. You can just double click and run the installer accepting the default settings. If your Windows is 32-bit version, it installs 32 version. But if your Windows is 64-bit, then you can install both 32-bit and 64-bit versions. After installation, you can locate the icon to run the program in a directory structure as like as r slash r3.2 slash bin i3386 rgui.exe under the Windows programming file, Windows program files. Clicking this icon bring up you the RGUI, which is the console to do the R programming. So these are the simple steps you can follow for installation of R program. You can directly download the R for Windows installer. Version is R3.2.2, and if your system is 32-bit, you can directly install 32. If your system is 62-bit, 64-bit, then you can install both 32-bit and 64-bit by accepting all the default settings, and then run the icon, and then you can be at R console, which can be used for programming, R programming. So that is about what is R programming and evaluation of R, features of R, and how to install R programming. Thank you.